Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create your Google People card. Alright, so let's begin. First, we have to open your Google or the website and then sign in to Google account. Now, type in add me to Google and this way, you should see an option of get started. You can tap on it, which will allow you to fill in information about yourself, such as name, occupation, location, education, experiences, social media profiles, and other relevant details. Or if you cannot find it, what you can do is go to About Me section and add up your information. Then after, you should see an option to add me to search. Once you do so, if you go back, you will see that you have been submitted your card. Also, the next way is search for yourself. After that, search for the prompt which says, add me to the search, and then you can follow the same process again. This way, you have successfully get started or added your people's card on the Google. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.